Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining our webinar. My name is Bogdan, and I am a product owner of sales channels. And here is my teammate from M2E Cloud, Alexandra. She is an account manager on this application. So today we would like to give you a closer look at M2E Sales Channels. It's our cloud-based application for synchronizing your Shopify or big commerce products with popular channels such as eBay, Amazon, and Walmart. Since our team already has another solution, M2E Pro for Magento, with 15 years of history in the e-commerce world, we wanted to take all the best from our experience and create something entirely independent. Some of you might already be familiar with M2E Cloud and are using all the benefits of its powerful features on daily basis. But in any case, don't worry if you are a newcomer with this app. We are more than confident that M2E Cloud will soon become your ultimate sidekick in managing your products and orders. So buckle up and get ready to discover this incredible world of M2E sales channels. So we've got some exciting stuff in our store for you today. And I want to give a word to my colleague, Alexandra.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining our webinar. As Bogdan said, this webinar was made especially for the new customers that we have. However, we welcome everyone who already joined us and maybe planning to work with M2E Cloud. And currently, I want to concentrate and focus on the key features that we have in M2E Cloud that attracts our customers the most. And let me show my screen. I will provide the explanation with some kind of demonstration on our demo instance, and I hope you will join it. So guys, it's hard to imagine the e-commerce solution without the inventory and order management features. So here we are in the M2E Cloud sales channels. We already have the inventory and order management feature that will help you to keep everything synchronized and updated. Speaking about the inventory management, we have the possibility to update prices, quantity, and other product data to keep everything synchronized. Speaking about the possible workflow that we have for customers who use the BigCommerce and Shopify and also channels, we have the possibility to update everything across the channels that are connected to M2E Cloud, and the whole process is powered by the automatic synchronization that will help you to seamlessly keep everything up to date. In terms of order management, we have the possibility to import all the orders you have on channels to the M2E sales channels, and also to create the corresponding orders on Shopify and BigCommerce as well, with the help only with just one setting here. You could create the orders on Shopify or BigCommerce and then fulfill them or ship them to your customers. And also M2E sales channels will help you to keep your orders updated by sending the tracking data to the connected channels like Amazon, eBay, for example. And all of these are controlled from the single place, because sometimes sellers and our customers use many different platforms and that require subscriptions and the switching between these platforms. So here with the sales channels, you are welcome to do everything from the one place, like a single platform, a unique helper that will keep your business extended and boosted. So what else we have here? Speaking about the inventory management, we also have the opportunity not only to manage the existing products. If you have products on Amazon and eBay that you already listed previously, the M2E Cloud will import everything from the eBay and Amazon to the app automatically without any manual interventions here. All your products will be imported and then linked to your Shopify or BigCommerce items. These processes are completely automatic and you don't need to do anything manually. Despite the fact that we manage the existing inventory, we also have the possibility to list the new items, and these processes are simple, and from my own experience, the listing process, for example, on eBay takes around 30 seconds and your product will be listed on the channel. Because we are, as you may know, we are working with the API, with the channel API like eBay, Amazon API, and everything is connected. And we are transferring the data of your products to the channels, and your product gets listed in just 30 seconds. All you need to do is to follow these steps, like selecting the marketplace, choosing a product, then selecting a category. Speaking about the categories and product types for Amazon, we have the possibility to auto-suggest categories. As you can see, I selected the products from the list, and then the system provides me with the possible suggested eBay categories to assign my products to. Also here, yeah, I think that everyone knows that on the channels there are the possibility to provide item specifics, like some characteristics of your products, and with the sales channels, it's possible to provide these specifics using the attributes you already have. For example, if you have the meta fields or custom fields on ecommerce, you're welcome to connect your account, and M2E sales channels will take all these attributes from ecommerce or Shopify and then transfer to the application, and you could further use these attributes as the source of specifics for your items. So no need to manage anything manually in terms of specifics, because we already took care about it with understanding how complicated it could be and how time consuming it could be to manage something manually, of course, if you have the large inventory here. So the steps are quite simple, and the listing wizard will guide you through all these processes. If, for example, the product type or category were not suggested by the system, you're welcome to select it manually just in one click and proceed with the final stage. Speaking about the policies we have here, it's like a flexible various configurations for products that will help you to provide the shipping term, the return terms, for example, the description policy, and also some additional settings for the selling policy. Knowing that many of our customers are interested in adjusting the prices, for example, for channel products, if you have on Shopify, for example, the prices for the product, the price for the product like $100, and you want to sell your product on the channel, for example, by increasing this value by $10 or something like that, you're welcome to do it with this simple setting. Just click on increase and provide a value you want to increase your channel price to. And as you can see on eBay, your product selling price will be 110. Also, there is some flexible settings for the quantity and the stock levels. For example, if you want to reserve some kind of quantity and prevent it from being on the channel from selling, you are welcome to use the reserve option here. It will help you to keep some amount of your product untouched and will prevent you from overselling, maybe from possible overselling. Speaking about the opportunity to enable the keep on channel option, it's also popular among our customers because our customers sometimes want to sell only the specific amount of quantity. They don't want to provide all the inventory that they have on Shopify, ecommerce, and with the setting keep on channel, you're welcome to provide the specific amount of quantity to sell on the channel, and it will be displayed before the value will drop below the threshold, and then the actual quantity from ecommerce or Shopify will be displayed instead. It's all done to keep your inventory updated and to manage it in a correct way. So, okay, speaking about the policies, it's for eBay, we have, as you can see, the shipping, return, and selling, synchronization, and description policy. Speaking about the Amazon, we have synchronization, shipping. It's like importing your templates from the Amazon, and also selling policy with the same amount of settings you already saw for eBay. So after selecting the policies, you just need to click on the list button and your item will be listed on eBay. You also want to say a few words about the concept of the simple UI we have. We are not new on the e-commerce market, and we know how complicated sometimes applications may be. So we are trying to follow the simple UI concept to make it easier for you to get acquainted with the application. So I will demonstrate my screen again, and you will see it for yourself. So speaking about the simple UI, for example, let's compare the tabs of the integrations. This is for eBay. As you can see, the interface is built in the same way. It's just a simple grid with the columns that contains the most important information, some like the quantity level, the price levels, the categories, identifiers with the opportunity to jump with the channel and see your item directly. And everything is built with one simple concept, because we understand that when you are new, you want a fresh start, you want to be boosted here and start your working process with the application in the shortest way. So everything is built simply here, and the organization process, the navigation process for you is simplified also by the groups and filters we have. For example, if you want to group your products by a specific marketplace or filter your products based on the specific parameters, for example, like prices and quantity, you're welcome to do it with our filters and the groups that will help you to keep everything organized. Also, there is the opportunity to create the tags for your products. For example, we know the cases from our customers when they wanted to group products by the shipping cost, for example. If you provide the free shipping for your products, you're welcome to create such a label for your product and then group your products by this specific tag. For example, let's do something like, let's create a test. Let's confirm, and you will see that your product will have the specific tag, and you're welcome to add a lot of tags you want based on your specific goals and needs. Yeah. Okay. And if to compare the integrations, as you can see, all the tabs are built in the same way. And we believe that this will help you to get more integrated with the application. Speaking about what else I wanted to say. The important point here to mention is that most of the features we have currently, despite the fundamental ones like inventory and order management, was built with the involvement of our customers. Because as we already have the solution like M2E Prof and Magento, we understand how important and how important in the role of the customers. Because you, as the sellers, you know what you need. You know what specific needs you want to cover. So we are completely open to hear any observations or insights from you, any feedback that you have, because as I already said, all the features, the most of them were built with the help of our customers. And you're welcome to join this process too, because your voice matters, really. Yeah. Okay, I will tell a few words regarding the workflow, regarding how the process is organized. I will tell you this briefly. However, this webinar will contain the brief information. However, everyone from you welcome to book a demo call and contact support for a personal demo. We will try to do our best in introducing sales channels, especially for you, with the coverage of your own needs, your business setup, and everything you need. So if to speak about the process, it's completely easy for you. Once you connect your accounts like ecommerce, Shopify, or for example, channel accounts like Amazon or eBay or Walmart, after the connection, all your products from all the connected instances will automatically be downloaded to the application. And then the important thing happens. Your products from ecommerce and Shopify will be linked to your channel products. The linking process is really important because based on this linking, you will have the possibility to enable synchronization. For example, let's check how it looks. Yeah. Okay, this is the product from the channel that already was linked to the item to the BigCommerce or Shopify item, the linking is also performed automatically. We link products based on the SKU or barcode. For example, if you have the same values on BigCommerce, Shopify, and your channels, the item will be linked to you and you will be able to enable synchronization. The synchronization is fully under your control. You personally choose what products to sync and what to not. We also have the bulk action, and you're welcome to do it per product or for all your inventory just by clicking the one simple button here. Yeah, and this is all about existing items. As for the listing items, I already shared that every integration, like eBay and Amazon currently have the listing wizard that will provide you and guide you through the listing, and your products will be ready to be purchased on the channels following the simple steps. Yeah, this is the process. I think I already said the major key features of the sales channels, and I think that we are ready for making polls or maybe answering questions, because I believe that our attendees have a lot to clarify. Maybe we will jump to questions already. Yeah, we are ready. Okay, it's questions, Q&A time, I think. So we have already some questions here. Let me please read. Yeah, we have a question regarding the specific integrations. One of the attendees shared that she had the shops powered. It's not only Shopify BigCommerce, but also the Google Shops, and it's AliExpress and Dropshipman. Yeah, I assume that you're asking about the possibility to support additional integrations here. Yeah. As I know, and it's true, we are continuously expanding the list of supported integration. We started with Shopify and BigCommerce, and then moved to also edit the Salesforce, and planning to expand the list of the integrations supported. Maybe Bogdan will say something else here. However, I assume that in the future we will pay attention at the request and the relevance of this request and how many customers asking about this or that integration, and we will definitely expand the list for you.
Yeah, thank you, Alexandra. So yes, we have in plans to add more integrations, and yes, it's about Facebook integration and Google integration, and in case if we have some really interested customers and they need these features, so it's open discussion, and as Alexandra said, please contact us directly, and we will do you a special demo and can negotiate. So yeah.
Okay, let's go to, we have more questions to ask. The question regarding the trial period or maybe the demo available for users to explore functionality of the app before making a commitment. Sure, yeah, we have a trial period, and currently, as Bogdan shared, we are free, and we have the long trial period. Currently, it's for 90 days. However, we also have the demo account, where you could test all the features. The demo account and the live account, they are completely the same in the reference with the features. You're welcome to test with demo, just to register your customer account and switch to a demo mode and explore everything here. And additionally, then you are welcome to connect your channel accounts when you will be ready. We also provide demo calls where we could meet together and clarify the questions that are important for you, especially. So yeah, you're welcome to try it via demo. One more question, thank you, regarding the shipping carriers. How about tracking nodes? Done. What do you think about the integration with shipping carriers?
Yeah, of course. We have it in plans, and it should come soon. Yeah, I don't want to spoil a lot, but yeah, we do understand that for our sellers, it's important also to have automatize these processes. So we will release this feature more or less soon. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, we already have some questions. That's great. Thank you. Okay, Pamela said that regarding the Facebook business account, it's still about the additional list of the supported integrations. Currently, we don't have integration with the Facebook or, for example, a Google Shop, but who knows? We have the big plans for the future. So you're welcome to check our website or subscribe to our newsletters to get the fresh announcement regarding the supported platforms, for example. And one more question regarding how to integrate without a shop. Would I have to do this using CSV? Yeah. You have the opportunity to sell on the channels, to list new items on the channels, even if you don't have the Shopify BigCommerce store. We have the catalog, our own built-in catalog, where you could create products based on CSV or, for example, manually. However, it's based on the amount of product you want to create. You are welcome to create products via CSV file, and then the workflow is the same. You have the option to list these products on eBay. And for example, link the existing products that you have on eBay if you're previously selling and list them on the marketplace directly. It's everything could be done with just one setting, with just one click. You just click to import CSV and provide CSV file, and the system will do everything for you. All your products from the CSV will be appeared in the catalog and then can be linked to the existing channel items or listed on the channel. It's pretty easy.
Additionally, that also there is an option to connect to the catalog via API. So if you use some third-party service for catalog management, you can also connect via API. It's easy to set up and convenient, so it's as an option.
Yeah, thanks. You're right, Bogdan. One more question. Thank you. What kind of support or resources are available if I encounter any issues or perhaps have questions while using the app? Support, it's our strange side. We have the live chat inside the application. You're welcome to use it anytime you want, and our support team also come in to help you. Also, we have the ticket system like Freshdesk. You're welcome to to send us emails, and we will also get back to you in a priority basis. And additionally, there is an opportunity to book a demo call to meet with me or Bogdan, for example, or someone else from our team, and have the introduction of sales channels to discuss some specific questions of your setup to find the solutions together. So this is the three channels that are available, like phone, chat, and emails. So that's it. Yeah, this was the last question. Maybe someone has something else to ask. Yeah, thank you. Okay, we have a request for a demo. Great. Okay, we will make sure to email you back and schedule a call at the convenient time for you. So thank you. We will take care of everything. This was the last question.
Is it?
Yeah.
No more questions. You answered all the questions. Thank you for activity, and it was interesting to hear which features are most required, and you help us to manage our backlog, so it's important. And in case if you have any ideas or suggestions, so don't hesitate to contact us. And we have a lot of customers who came to us in time ago, and they became as stakeholders, and they helped us to grow, and we helped them to grow their business, because we build our app for our customers because they use it for their needs. And so, as like I said, please contact us. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for joining, Alexandra. You are the best.
Yeah, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Okay, have a nice day.
Bye bye.
Bye.